I'll talk to you before you go. Come, son. I like your heart. Your problem to see money, when you see money, you are looking for people to help.
Yes, sir.
Your heart is very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Now, you come up to climb to the level. You start going back small. I want to cut you from the power of rising and falling.
Yes, sir.
Not that you are not seeing opportunity. Opportunity is coming, but to meet up your target.
You're right, sir.
Do you know that sometimes the things that is coming into you, I can gather widows. I lose some young men that's not doing things. I set them up and fix them in something if I can make this money. You are a messenger of God.
Thank you, sir.
But the wave from your family, that the same wave, your father wanted to do the same, but the wave couldn't allow him. The same wave is carrying you. It's called bad foundation. And by the power of God, I liberate your family. Jesus. I hold that wave from evil kingdom. It will never blow again. Follow here and go to your chair. You are out of wave. Go to your chair. Make that money and help people. Celebrate Jesus.